Hello, I would love to increase the disk partition of my aaPanel or Ubuntu. You may see the version. Let's see. I have already input, or I have plugged in a pen drive which is bootable in Ubuntu. Like now I need to restart and then restart it now, and then simply press on F12, or based on your computer you will have to press the that means boot to enter into boot menu. Let's see. I'm just pressing it down. Now I'm selecting the pen drive. My one is lecture, and then click on enter, or press on enter. After that, just select this one based on your bootable software, using which one you have already boot the computer, or your Windows or Ubuntu. It will fully depend on it. So let's select, and then simply select or press on enter, and wait until the Ubuntu or your operating system is being loaded. Let's wait for a moment because it will take a bit time. There are two options. One is live, another is to install your Ubuntu. Let's wait and see. Yes, we have to wait for another few seconds until we are reaching to the final stage. Let's wait again. Yes, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up. Sometimes you're feeling the yes, it's time for me, but we have to wait until we are getting the final option. Let's go. Okay, wait for another few seconds. Yes, maybe we are getting the final stage. Yes, it is. So you can see Ubuntu is already being loaded. Now you have to select some other options, like preparing Ubuntu. You can install it, or you can open it from here. Let's see, and click on cancel. Just click on next, next, and next. Like the wired connection is over there. Just wait for another moment. Do not need to update this one. Just click on skip this moment, or this part is really important. Just do not install Ubuntu, rather than select this one, try Ubuntu, and then close. Wait for another moment. Select this gparted, start it. Yes, now you can see you have got the final options. Just click on authenticate, and then you will see all are loaded. Okay, so this is my hard drive. You can see all are used. There isn't any option to go for the free or other storage, so I have to extend this one. But you can see number 3, which is all about 130 GB used, and I have 321 GB which is unused. Now I'd love to extend this drive to that 100 or more than that, whatever you want. It fully depends on you. Like now I'm selecting this one, which is free, and then click on this size, and right click here, resize, and move. Like select this one, and then maybe this is quite enough for me now. Like simply select and then click on resize, move, and then you can see it's unallocated. Now I can extend, because this one should be quite okay now. Right click on this one, and then click on resize, move. Just simply click here and on the plus sign, and then you will see, or you can type by yourself. Okay, let's go. I am typing one more thing from here. Maybe 120. Okay, just simply click on size and move. Okay, Tantana. Now you can see I have full storage here. Now I can restart the computer. Before that, I have to save this one. Okay, like I'm saving this one and then clicking on apply, and then you can see all are being approved. Yes, wait for another moment. The error is not about the thing what you are seeing. It's all about updates and some other things, but wait until you are getting the option is done, like all the files are being copied over there. So let's wait and see. Yes, it's done. Okay, all good. Just simply click on close. Now it's my time to restart again. Just simply close everything and then click on restart, and then you will see the things happens. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have got the solution, whatever you wanted. Now it's your time to work as per your requirement. Thank you for watching.